respected Khan sir, all my dear batchmates, my dear friends. I think we have heard enough of strategies now. All of that is covered. There is nothing more that I can add. Khan sir suggested me to talk about life. So we can talk a little about life. What is life, and what things that you are going to do right now, the things that you are doing, what meaning do you attach to those things? I think the purpose to life is to find happiness. But the larger question is, how do you find happiness, and what is happiness? I think largely people, today we are living in a materialistic society, largely people define happiness via maximization of pleasure and minimization of pain. I think it is not a sustainable way to define happiness. My experiences in life and those of that I follow, I think happiness comes from something internal. It could be very different for all of us. To me, it comes when I think I made somebody else happy. So, the thing that I want to do in my life should revolve around making contribution in others' lives. So this is where I started when I was in my college. I did not know UPSC. IAS is nothing that I heard about when I was growing up. I'm an engineer, computer science engineer from IIT PHU Varanasi. A little background about myself so you know where I'm coming from. So now when I was thinking about what I can do in life, it has to do with something which I am passionate about. So what is that I'm passionate about? I was passionate about making my people, the people around me, happy. So now it has to be from my family. I did all those things which my family wanted me to do. Good in studies, be respectable, all those good characteristics that you want in your son. But the vision has to be a bigger vision in life. When I was very young, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was our president. I belong to a town in Ajmer district of Rajasthan. It's a very small town. Its name is Byawar. Dr. Kalam did not get time to visit us. He was visiting all the schools. During my time, there was Orkut. Now it is Facebook, Instagram. There was Orkut back then. So I used to watch his speeches. And that is where I got an inspiration that I had to do something which could make India, which could make all of us grow in a certain direction. The Vision 2020 has not been realized, but we are in the direction. Now my passion lies in doing something about the country. And also, I had an interest in video games. So I used to play a lot of strategy video games. So that is where I converged all my interests. Foreign Service is a platform where I think I can contribute in India's strategy, and which lies at the core of my source of happiness, if I can do something positively about it. And that is where I entered the field of civil service examination. This was my second attempt. I think the thing that I can tell all the aspirants is that find somebody who is closest to you. The delta, the added distance, is the minimum. And then maybe follow that path that they have traveled. You have heard from all the toppers, all their strategies. Find somebody who you can relate to, and then walk that path. Thank you so much. Thank you all these. Thank you, Khan sir, for inviting me.